Hello, my dear learners. Welcome to English with Grandpa. Today, let's listen to an interesting conversation, the future of AI, a threat or opportunity. Join Mia and Henry as they discuss whether AI will replace jobs or create new opportunities. Stay tuned and enjoy the conversation.
Henry, do you ever wonder if AI will completely take over jobs in the future?
I think about it a lot. AI is definitely changing industries, but I don't think it'll replace humans entirely.
Yeah, I mean, AI can automate repetitive tasks, but can it really replace human creativity and emotions?
That's exactly the point. AI is powerful, but it lacks personal judgment, empathy, and original thinking. That's why jobs requiring emotional intelligence like counseling, teaching, or even leadership roles are harder to automate.
True, but I've read that some jobs, like customer service or writing, are already being handled by AI tools.
That's happening, but AI-generated content still needs human editing. And in customer service, people often prefer talking to a real person rather than a chatbot.
That makes sense, but what about jobs that completely disappear? Won't that create unemployment?
Some jobs will disappear, like cashiers or basic data entry roles. But history shows that every new technology creates new opportunities. Remember when people thought computers would take away jobs? Instead, they created millions of new ones.
That's a good point. So, instead of fearing AI, we should focus on developing skills that AI can't easily replace.
Exactly. Creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence will always be in demand. And honestly, learning how to use AI can actually give us an advantage.
You're right. Maybe I should start exploring AI instead of worrying about it.
Definitely, imagine working alongside AI instead of against it. We could use it to boost productivity, automate boring tasks, and focus on things that really matter.
That actually sounds exciting. Maybe we should take an AI course together and see where it leads.
I'm in. The future isn't about AI replacing us, it's about us learning how to work with AI.
Well said. Let's do this.